Alright, so today's event, we're going to be using the Elite 2.0, some sandbags, backdrop. Let's start unloading everything. Yeah, we'll just do this. 1, 2, 3. Got some props, media, red rope stanchions. Backdrop. We don't need this. Alright, so this is going to be our setup area. We'll start with the backdrop. There we go. Base plate number 1. Ooh, I love this song. Bum, 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 bum. Heaven must be missing an angel. Be with me right now. So I always know that this right here will always be the top or bottom. The top and bottom will always be the same with the T. So that's going to be, then I follow with the rest. The other 3 kind of look the same, but one is always longer. So the one with 3 are the sides. And you can also just match the numbers too. See how this one's 4? So I know this one's the middle. It's a little bit longer. This one's the middle. Let's try to use the space that we have. It's going to be your side. There you go. What's that? Oh. Alright, and that's how you successfully set up the backdrop. You can also zipper this together too. Okay, so I'm going to set the Elite 2.0 up. I got my flash right here. Got my base plate. I also have my screws over here. This is my LEDs. I'll let this hotspot live inside. Disco Inferno. Extra cable, power cable, printer cover. Make sure the printer is on. Connected to Wi-Fi. There's her event. Let's hit launch. Do a couple samples. Little overexposed, not a problem. So before every event, I always like to do a little sample just to see what it looks like. Make sure my framing looks good. I'll probably lower this a little bit. I'll zoom out a little bit too. Email, text messages, I'll send one to myself. I don't hear the printer, so that's something I'll check. Let's see here. Let's go check our printer. Print automatically. Yep. All right. That sounds like it's printing. I'm going to do one more. Hey, Gabby, you want to do a picture with me? Yeah. 3 seconds. Here you go. There's our first strip. All right, let's see. These look. The last one looks better. Let me go get the other. Yeah. All right. So this is the first set. This is the last picture. How it looks. Let me go get the other. That looks good. Well, this is our complete setup. Flash umbrella. Photo booth. Hand sanitizer, business cards. They can turn that on later on when it gets darker. We got our sign, printer cover, and 16 props. Of course, we do have our backdrop. And we have it connected to power, and we're done. We'll pick this up at what, 11? With 16 props, okay, thank you. You're welcome. Done and done. Happy birthday. Next event.